Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker in the Netherlands, and this time a bit of a personal message and no watchmaking. The inevitable happened. My dad passed away yesterday. He was terminally ill for over a year. They gave him 3 months and it became a year. So we are very grateful that we had the time to say our goodbyes, take our time, and now that he isn't suffering anymore because cancer, horrible disease. A few thoughts I would like to share with you because you are part of the live streams. I tell a bit more about my personal life. So for the closure, it's nice to talk to you and share a few thoughts about my dad. Um, First things first, he was a first officer in the Merchant Marine. So that is the rank just below captain. And let me see, there he is. And this story will make horological sense because it's a lesson I learned a long time ago and it's still affecting our workshop, our business today. Um, Whenever he gained a rank, because he started when he was 15 in the Merchant Marines, um, every time he climbed a rank, um, he refused the stripes on his lapel and on his uniform. And the thing he told me very early was your co-workers, if it's low level, high level, must respect the person and not the rank. A captain cannot steer a ship over the ocean without all the other personnel and the other way around. So they people don't have to listen to me because of my rank, but because of the person I am and well, hopefully the respect they give me. And that's why still to this day on our shop window it says Kalle Slaap and Friends, because it's a joint effort. We all need each other. Nobody is more important than anybody else. So that was a life lesson really learned early on. Uh, because he was sailing the seas from he was 15, uh, he saw the Beatles in the Cavern Club before they recorded their first album. And he said that was so exhilarating and mind blowing that he was a lifelong fan. And when I was 6, he gave me 2 cassette tapes. One was Revolver by the Beatles, 1966, and a tape of, well, it's a Dutch artist but very popular in Sweden, Cornelis Vreeswijk. I still love them to this day. So uh, I'm a lifelong Beatles fan. Uh, Arguably, I know more about the Beatles than watches still do. But he was just in a right moment in a time, and he saw many performances of the Shadows and Cliff in the Shadows, and even Bruce Welch and Hank B. Marvin recognized him every time they saw each other. Really, really nice. Um, Even though I'm not really want to admit to it, many things he showed me the way and inspired me, uh, especially love of music, the 60s music, love of Scandinavia, and traveling through Norway, Sweden, Suomi, Denmark, of course, and the love for Ireland. He fell in love with the country, and the first time I set foot on shore in Ireland, I immediately felt at home, and he had the same, strangely enough. So We had a year of saying goodbyes. That's why a bit of a personal message, because I cannot concentrate on movements at the moment. Hopefully I will be live coming Tuesday and everything will be back to normal. But now we're really busy with arranging all the stuff, and my mother's inconsolable. She's 80 and they've been together for 60 years. So amazing. Thank you so much for your appreciation and your support. Bit of a personal message, and hope to see you soon coming Tuesday live, and everything will be back to normal. Enjoy your day. I see you. Bye bye.